The Northwestern DA's office is warning the public of an increase in asphalt paving schemes in the area. According to the DA's office, the scams typically involve a person or group showing up to your home unannounced, claiming that they have leftover materials from a nearby job. They'll offer to repair, pave, or seal coat your driveway for a bargain price. But the materials they use are faulty. The scammers will also start separate jobs without your permission and demand more cash. If you're suspicious of a local paving crew in your area, you're urged to contact your local police department.